No lighting, no lighting, no lighting. Alright, guys. There it is, there it is. That. It's a nice sticker. It's actually not a sticker, it's like an emblem. Dang. This is the information. Because I ordered it from Axion Industries, I think. There you go. Tools required: 3/8 socket wrench and 14mm socket deep. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna put it on today. Tomorrow morning. Ooh. Looks nice.
Right there.
Okay. It's just a sticker but in white. And then you get this one. This one's my favorite. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one. It looks nice. Probably gonna put it. I'll find a spot. This one I don't know if I'm gonna put this one. I already have too many stickers. It depends. Probably I'll put it on here or something. Figure it out, but oh look, it's just like this one. It looks nice. Okay, so I couldn't sit the strut bar because the battery terminal was, that side was facing this way, so when you were sitting it on top, it was not I wasn't able to screw it in, but we took it off and we turned it 90 degrees like the instruction manual said, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit now.